Hi, today we're going to be taking on Boston Viewer at Beyblade Burst Evolution Hasbro's Dual Booster Pack. We get Orpheus 02, D10, TD01 Defense Type, and UniCRESTS U2, D14 TA07 Attack Type. Now this is something that's kind of weird. Now over here is Orpheus, where we have the energy layer is Orpheus, the force is its arm, and then defense is the driver, which is weird because the driver's actually name is defense. Even though it kind of looks like another one. It kind of looks like this one, which I think was the same one. And then over here we have UniCRESTS, which, as we all know, it's another recoloration of, Unicorn Unlocked Down Needle in Japan. So, yeah. And this is, I believe, like the, fifth or sixth recoloration of UniCRESTS. So this was the first one. This, I believe, was the second one. I believe there was a third one and a fourth one, probably. But yeah, it's just another recoloration of it. But something that's different. Instead of giving us two defense types in here, which, as we know, UniCRESTS is a defense type, they actually changed UniCRESTS into attack type this time. So it would have been awesome if we could get a complete set of, like, maybe. And this is what I would think that, Hasbro at Beyblade should start doing. They should start doing like duo pats like these, but maybe like do a first like dual defense pat, dual attack, dual stamina, dual balance, where you get two bays that are from the same class type. So instead of UniCRESTS being another defense type, which originally it was in this pat, it becomes the attack type. So we have UniCRESTS Unite. Jade. So that's the Jade driver, which actually doesn't look like Jade, but according to the WBBA wiki forum, this driver was named Jade, even though we all know that it's not a Jade driver. But that's what they said. And then here's kind of what the parts look like. There we go. Okay, and then for its abilities, let's kind of get the camera to focus here. So for Orpheus, attack 2, weight 4, burst 2, defense 9, agility 2, stamina 1. Come on. And then for the remake of UniCRESTS U2, now being an attack type from a defense type, attack 3, burst 2, defense 4, weight 3, agility 5, stamina 3. And BeyBladeBurst.com, and then DUI, Sunrise, WBBA, all that great stuff right there and stuff. Now in Japan, I looked on the website and tried to find it. Funtakar told me, and apparently Orpheus 02 is American exclusive bay, which is pretty odd, but hey, it's also cool. So let's get this open and take a look at the bays. Like, I don't know why they have to put tape all around here when you don't need to put tape on there. That's just something that's kind of dumb and stupid. But, that's what they have to do. Instructions, we don't need to see the instructions. I mean, you've seen those tons of times. And the Beyblades are super easy, and they don't really have any gimmicks on there like the Switch Strike series that usually has gimmicks, which is from like the God Layer series. So yeah, let me just snip these out of here. Okay. So, Orpheus, which has an O in the middle, which is kind of weird. It's almost like, I want to say maybe the same O that they use for O-Dots, which is Odin in Japan. But this one, it's kind of hard to see on screen here. I'm trying to clean it up as best I can. There you go. But yeah, here's what Orpheus looks like. So, it kind of has a face right down there. And then that kind of looks like hair or spikes. There's a little O for Orpheus there. And you can't see it on the side here and here. Maybe now on screen you can kind of see it, but it does have little music notes there. You can see a little bit of it right there on that side, and a little bit on that side. So what Orpheus is, it's a harp. I guess you could say it's a lyre if you want to go all medieval, like Legend of Zelda. I think the Princess Zelda used it, the lyre. So it's like a little harp, a lyre, not a lyre like, hey, someone's not telling the truth. Not that type of lyre, but you know, like, and if you watch My Little Pony, there is a pony that hangs out with another pony named Bon Bon, which is actually Sweet Drop. The pony that she hangs out with is also called Lyre, and she has a keymark that has a lyre on there. But I guess nowadays we don't call them lyres, we call them a harp. Could you see angels playing them? But yeah, it's really made for a lyre, not really a harp. Which is kind of like the same thing, just I think size difference. I don't know, I don't play them, so I don't know, to be precise, what a lyre harp is. If you take music lessons, or if you play a lyre or a harp, let me know in the comment section. What's the difference between a lyre and a harp? Is it just the names due to the centuries, from medieval century to modern day, or something? I don't know. Anyway, here's the QR code, which is pretty cool. The force disc has a bit A for arm, which is the same one that we saw with Y1, which was called Wham, which was Y1 arm mass. This one's a 4-star. And here's the driver, which has a little shield, which the name of the driver is actually called Shield. Which looks like just a wing driver that they had from back in the day with the Metal Fight series. That Waste Striker, I think, had it on there. And they just took like Mass driver, because this kind of looks like the drive for Mass, and slap it together. Except Mass had a little bit of a jaded design on there with little bumps, and this one doesn't. So let's go ahead and put this one together, just like that. And let's bring in yet another record of UniCRESTS. Now this one, actually, I kind of did it a little bit more than this one, to be honest with you. And why not? Let's get off free. In there. Oh, this one doesn't really want to show up that good on camera. So, this one was the first one they came out with. Then I believe it was this one, and then 2 other ones I think. And finally this one for the moment. So all the lights are different colors. Their mains are different colors. Their horseshoes are different colors. But the little U in the middle for UniCRESTS, which is actually unicorn, is all the same. So this one actually has a full-on translucent, double translucent pieces. I mean, usually, as you can see here, you can kind of see white fluid into part of the white here. This one, the top is translucent white, clear, as usual, but the bottom layer is actually translucent too. And what's cool about this one is, I don't know how good you can see on camera, but there's actually little metallic, like sparkling glitter flakes in there. Oh, there's the QR code. Now maybe you can kind of see it, like a little bit right there. What I'm talking about, where they put like little pieces of glitter in there. That's actually pretty cool. And here's our forged disc, U for Unite. And this one is a 3-star. It's kind of hard to find what the stars are. 2 stars there, 1 star down there. And here's the driver, which had J on there for Jade. Which doesn't look like Jade, to be precise. It looks kind of like a cell almost. Like from a cell Valkyriats. But you know what? Let me take apart one of the older ones. And see, I mean, this one and this one's exactly the same, just recolored. So, yeah. Actually it's the same, but usually it had this, which was D for down, and for the forged disc, and it had this, which I guess was their attempt to make an N, because